Hello, thank you for visiting my channel today. Work at home. Work from home jobs are out there, but you may find many of them involve using a phone. This may not work for you because of the no background noise rule online jobs you can do from home tend to come with. Guaranteeing no background noise when you have kids or pets at home may not work for some. But you have a list of options for working from home below. 1. The Hoth. The Hoth is an online writing company and it is open to the US, except for California. Previous experience may be necessary depending on the position. Pay varies depending on skill level, but according to Glassdoor, most make around $15 to $17 per hour. Pay is every Monday via PayPal. To be considered for a freelance writing position with the Hoth, all you have to do is send them 2 of your best writing samples. Like a lot of other content mills, it's less about your background or education and more about your ability to deliver results. If they like your writing, they'll get back to you with a job offer. There is no mention of any time frame, so it might take a while to find out if you're hired. 2. Say ABC. Say ABC is open to US, Canada, and Australia. Must be a native English speaker with a bachelor's degree or above. Earn up to $21 hourly. 3. Magic Ears. Hires in the US and Canada. They provide online English tutoring to 4 to 12-year-old children in China as an independent contractor. Work at home or from anywhere with a speedy internet connection and earn $18 to $26 an hour. Bachelor's degree or current college enrollment is required. ESL tutoring is technically non-phone, but there is still human interaction. A webcam is almost always required so you can teach English to non-English speakers. This line of work may be ideal for you if you have past experience teaching, tutoring and a BA degree or some college. 4. Karma Hub. Offers search engine evaluator jobs in the US only. Pay is around $11 hourly. Flexible schedule. Most companies that hire for search engine evaluation have many projects available. This means the exact work you do might vary. You may be good at search evaluation if you're computer savvy, a good researcher, and up on all the latest trends. 5. Lithium. Lithium has occasional openings for remote social media moderators. According to Glassdoor, this job pays around $12 hourly when it is open. With these positions, you're working on social media. This might mean moderating comments, updating pages, advertising, and more. 6. Verilog. Is a translation job and it pays around $5.10 per audio minute. Get paid twice monthly with check or direct deposit. This work from home that is typically very flexible and non-phone. Translation work may be ideal if you are bilingual or multilingual. You also need to be savvy with grammar and spelling. 7. Kirkus. Kirkus often looks for book reviewers worldwide. They seek reviewers for both English and Spanish titles. Reviews are about 350 words, and are due 2 weeks after the book is assigned. Pay is $50 per review. 8. TTech. Hires in the US for data entry. This company is best known for phone work from home, but they sometimes have data entry jobs available. When open, it's typically part-time and entry-level. Pays around $10 an hour. If you are a fast and accurate typist who doesn't mind repetitive work, you might excel at data entry. Keep in mind that these are independent contractor positions, and you may find it difficult to make ends meet if you only do work for one company. This is because none of them guarantee work will be available when you need it, so you need to be sure you have other options available to you for finding work when this type of work from home jobs are not available. Guaranteeing no background noise when you have kids or pets at home may be impossible. But you have lots of options for working from home with the above non-phone jobs. Thanks for joining me today to hear of these work from home jobs. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified of current job opportunities, and click the thumbs up to like this video. Have a nice day.